Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be doing a video where I'm gonna try slicing through that lemon with this bow, like that, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, here, let me, Ready, set. Oh, I think something might have happened to the camera. That's bad. Oh god. Whoa. Oh, I'm trying to fix my camera right now. Just hang in there. Don't leave the video. Okay? Oh god. And just so you know, it did cut through in the end and ended up. Oh, I'm knocking on my camera. Camera? Just in case you can't see it, because my camera's like totally broken right now. Okay, I'm gonna, oh, there you go, the lemon split in half. Yeah, bye. Oh, not bye. I'm gonna lick this lemon. Oh. 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 So it was pretty good. 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 Delicious. Delicious. Perfecto. The acids are on my tongue. Ha 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 ha. Delicious. Let's try the other one, smaller one. Anyway, here they are. 2 lemons. Now, I'm going to use this sharp wooden stick to try beating these lemons up. Okay, see that? Lemon on the stick. Lemon on a stick. Let's see this lemon. That lemon. Catapult. Whoa. Hey, my little butterfly. Lemon. So, I'm gonna climb up that tree. So you know this isn't on my iPad or iPod, it's on my phone. HTC Sprint 4G Evo 4. I'm on the tree. Yes. So this time the for real. Bye. Dang it. The stop button isn't working. What's happening? Why isn't working?